Okay, we are on to molarity, which is how I measure concentration in this class. Molarity is defined as moles of stuff dissolved per liter of solution, moles per liter. And the problem's usually pretty straightforward, really. If I told you that I had 85 grams of KCl dissolved in enough stuff to make 400 milliliters of solution, well, first you'd want to get your grams to moles first, and then your milliliters to liters. Milliliters to liters is easy. Just divide by 1,000, that's 0.4 liters. This is a little more challenging. 85 grams of KCl. Use the molar mass of KCl, which is 74.5 grams in 1 mole. And that ends up being 1.14 moles of KCl. Then to find molarity, just use the equation, moles per liter. So take 1.14 moles divided by 0.4 liters, and you're going to end up with 2.85. Now the units here could be capital M for molarity or molar, or it could be moles per liter. Sometimes you even see moles times the liter to the -1, but they all mean the same thing. 2.85 molar, 2.85 moles per liter, or 2.85 moles per liter that way. Oftentimes you can use a triangle to solve the problems, like we had for density. Triangle would be molarity is equal to moles per liter. And then just cover the one that you want, and then the one that's left is what you do. So if you want liters, you take moles divided by molarity, or if you want moles, you take molarity times liters. So it's a convenient way to remember how to get those problems. So for example, if I told you that you had, I don't know, the question said, how many grams of silver nitrate are needed to produce a solution that is 2,550 milliliters and 0.14 molar. Now, I said grams here, but there's no grams on the triangle. But grams and moles are related. You can convert between them as you need to. So if you want to solve for grams, then first find moles and then convert your moles to grams. So if I want to find moles, then I take molarity times liters. The molarity is 0.14 molar. This many milliliters, just divide by 1,000 and move the decimal point 3 spots to the left, is 2.55 liters. If you multiply them together, you get 0.35 moles of silver nitrate, which is great, but I want my answer in grams, so then we can convert it to grams using the mole wheel. Just take 0.35 moles of AgNO3 and multiply by the molar mass. If you add these all up, it's 170 grams in 1 mole. And you end up with 60.7 grams of silver nitrate. So if you wanted to make this solution, which is a pretty common problem, you have solid silver nitrate, you have some water, and how would you make a solution? Well, you do this math first, and then you just figure out that you need 60.7 grams of silver nitrate, and then dissolve that in enough water to make this much solution, 2,550. And if you do that right, you should be about 0.14 molar. So there's a couple of applications of using molarity and the mole triangle. There's your concentration in less than 4 minutes. Bye!